We are back with Jennifer Lopez, and she's here to talk about a new women's health movement. I love that you're doing this.
Yes.
Educate everybody.
Okay, so again, talking about, kind of getting better and working on ourselves all the time, one of the things that I wanted to do, I realized, is share what I've learned. 'Cause I've had all the personal trainers you could have. I've tried every, diet in the world and everything. And one of the things that I realized is, obviously, men and women's bodies are very different, but also how they make up, and you could probably talk about that a lot more than I could specifically. But the way we burn energy, our fat is different, all this kind of stuff. And one of the things that I wanted to do was take some of the products and things that, create products that were made for women by women.
Yeah. So important
and we've
to do.
done that.
Yeah,
yes.
It's important because we always ignore that. In fact, a lot of the tests are by doctors done on men, so we ignored the women. And
yeah,
so
and a lot of the products out there are for men. Any supplements, any fat burners, all that kind of stuff that's out there is really for men. It's not for women. It's bodies and chemistry.
So there's this very, very good smoothie.
There's a very, very good smoothie shake.
Very, very good. So educate me about how you make it. You have this in the mornings.
Right. I have a shake every morning because I always feel like, again, starting off your day in the right way, because we all kind of fall off towards the end of the day.
Yes.
It's like, whoop, oh, okay. But this, I always am happy when I have my shake in the morning. I like a protein shake. It gives me good energy. It's low in calories. Ours is like 80 calories with the protein powder. Women, I don't even know if you guys know this, but as we get older, we need protein. Probably even more than men. I don't know the men's stats.
Men need it a lot too. Listen, but protein is the foundation.
Women for sure.
Yeah, for sure. Well, they have to have protein in the morning.
You start losing that muscle, and everything starts falling.
Yes, it does fall.
And we don't want that.
With sad eyes. She says with sad eyes. All right.
We just gotta keep working. We gotta keep it going. So I like starting off with the body. The name of the company that I work with and I'm partners with is Bodylab. And we've done the for women, by women products. Fat burners, detox, cleanses, all kinds of stuff. There's a website and an app that will help tailor something just for you. It's almost like having your own nutritionist. I also put on there all my favorite exercises that I know work, that I do myself, all kinds of stuff. So this is an amazing thing and again, lots of great products, a lot of green-based stuff, which I learned about and want my kids to know about because I didn't eat that way growing up.
No.
I ate a lot of rice and beans, fried food, and I love it. I still love it. And I still like to eat it, but I try to eat healthy more than I do that.
So when you make your very, very good smoothie,
yes.
I put all the fruit in here for you. I put some yogurt in here for you.
Yeah, it's Greek yogurt. You can even do a little bit of honey if you want, some lemon.
Put some honey in there.
Yes, we can put a little bit of this. We're gonna squeeze a little lemon too, just a little bit. I don't like to use too much honey. It's just a little tasty. Yeah,
just a little.
That's it.
Just a little dollop of honey.
Yes, that's good.
And here's your powder.
Oh, and here's the protein powder. Obviously, this is the good stuff.
Just a scoop of that. And you add lemon to it.
I just add lemon because lemon makes everything taste better. I like to cook.
You cook a lot?
I do. I love to cook. I don't get to cook a lot, but I love to cook.
The kids are gonna love that with mom cooking. Okay.
No, they love when I cook.
I'm gonna turn this baby on. And it looks good.
Delicious.
Pretty fast. Now,
Delicious.
Now, I made this for you.
Thank you.
I'm kidding. I didn't make this, but someone I trust made this. See if you like it.
Somebody made it for you for me.
Oh, it's so good. It's wonderful.
It's delicious, and it's a great way to start your day.
Yeah.
And that's all you need. You don't need a whole bunch more than that.
Because she was able to drink things like this, she's maintained a fantastic health profile. So she's out, Jennifer, doing all kinds of crazy things, including making wonderful movies. And her newest one is called The Boy Next Door. She had to get in the shape of her life, I'm told. Is that true?
I did. I had to do this love scene with a 24-year-old. And so I was a little self-conscious. But yeah, I had to pull it together for that one.
Well, the movie is superb. It really is. And it's not what I expect. It's a thriller. And in the movie, Jennifer plays a single mom who has made a, should I say, bad sexual choice?
Crossed the line.
Crossed the line.
Bad decision.
With a teenage boy. And things sort of got out of control. And when she tries to break it all off, take a look.
Yeah.
Where's the damn video?
Why are you so angry?
What you did in my classroom today?
You've been avoiding me.
What do you think? This is some kind of game we're playing here? This is real life. That is my home. Okay, you're doing things in front of my kid, in front of my husband?
You're cheating, lying husband?
Okay. What's your plan? What do you think? What do you think? We're gonna date? We're gonna go on family vacations together? What do you think is gonna happen here?
It is. I mean, you get a feel for it. It's a nail biter, and Jennifer, you don't just act in it; you produce the movie. You must be proud as heck.
I am proud. I am proud. I started producing more in the past couple of years, and this movie I'm very proud of. The end, the end is.
Don't give away the ending.
I'm not going to tell you.
Please.
The end. I'm telling you, be like this. It's one of those. You're gonna have. It's a lot of fun. I'm super proud of it. It's a popcorn thriller, in the best sense of a thriller movie that you could ever have.
Women idolize you for many good reasons. As you think about them, we can tell the love in the room just towards you. They want to make a better life for themselves the way you have for yourself. What advice do you give to these young women?
I think you have to, when you're talking about success, personal or professional, there's different things. Professional, I think it's the people who put in the extra work. I put in a lot of extra work, and it gets tiring. It's not the easiest thing all the time, but I always notice that even within my own industry, the ones who work harder, the ones who stay later, the ones who just are willing to do whatever it takes to get the job done are the ones who wind up going far. As far as personal success, I think, it's about being happy. It's about being good and whole on your own first, a whole person on your own, so then you can share that happiness with other people in your life. And that takes work too. And when you put in that work on yourself by exercising, eating right, doing your affirmations, that's all loving yourself. Then you can be happy because you know that you're complete on your own. And then you can have as many friends and great relationships, healthy relationships, because you will only make good choices for yourself when you love yourself.
You're a very wise woman.
Thank you. I learned the hard way.
Let me ask you one last question.
Okay.
You're in the press all the time.
Yeah.
I mean, literally every day.
Yeah.
And much of it, I suspect, is not quite accurate. Many
Sure.
misconceptions about you exist. What do you think is the biggest one?
The biggest one? I think it's been dispelled over the past few years, especially since I started doing American Idol. I think people there was a lot of stuff written about me early in my career about being a diva, about wanting like white candles and, like all this stuff had to be a certain way, which was never true. But I think once I did American Idol, people got to see the real me and me, a person, because I didn't have a script or a song I was doing. It was just me out there talking my feelings and acting myself. And so I don't know that I have anything to dispel. I am who I am. I think people know that at this point. I've been around long enough.
Well, I have never met you before. I have thoroughly enjoyed it. And Jennifer Lopez is no diva.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Hey, her new movie, The Boy Next Door, is in theaters now. For more information about Joey and Jennifer's Body Lab movie, go to bodylab.com. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.